and welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm going to share a few of our older recipes that we made in the past that I just wanted to go over and remind you of in case you're looking for something for Thanksgiving. The first one could be cranberries in the snow. This right here is mostly a cranberry recipe, but you do add other ingredients. And this turned out to be one of the best cranberry recipes that we have ever tried for Thanksgiving. And I also made it for Christmas. They loved it so much. The next one is green bean casserole. I might make a new one, but right here is one of our older videos for a green bean casserole. Those are two great side dishes. And then we have our cream potatoes cooked in garlic. This is Travis's recipe, and I thought I'd bring it back again and share with y'all the clip of the cream garlic mashed potatoes. It's a great side. And then we have a video also on how we show how to debone a turkey breast. So if y'all are wanting to buy the big turkey breast and you don't want to pay that extra price, I'm going to show you in this video how to debone your own turkey breast. So y'all come on, and I hope you like this quick little reminder of some of our Thanksgiving items that we had in the past. If you like this reminder video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.